Hello students, today we are going to discuss the exercise of combustion and flame chapter. Okay, exercise. The first question A is tick the correct answers, that is read the following questions carefully and tick the right options. The first question, the substance which burns in air to produce heat and light is, and the option A combustible substance, B non-combustible substance, D C both of these and D none of these. So जो substance burn करते हैं air की presence में, they are called combustible substance. So the first answer is A, that is combustible substance. Second, heat and light in the sun are produced by A combustion, B explosion, C nuclear reaction, D none of these. So the right answer is C nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction. This topic or this about this nuclear reaction you will be studying in your higher classes. Third question is, complete combustion of a fuel produces A carbon dioxide, B nitrogen, C carbon dioxide, A sulfur dioxide, B nitrogen, C carbon dioxide and D all of these. So the correct answer is C carbon dioxide. Okay, that is CO2. Fourth, which is a highly poisonous gas? A oxygen, B carbon monoxide, C carbon dioxide and D nitrogen. Now student, oxygen is not a poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide can be a poisonous gas and nitrogen is also not a poisonous gas. Now from this carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, हम जानते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और कार्बन मोनोक्साइड में से कार्बन मोनोक्साइड की एफिनिटी ज़्यादा होती है हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन बनाने की, जो कि एक स्टेबल कंपाउंड है. तो कौन सा ज़्यादा डेंजरस हुआ? बी कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. ओके. फिफ्थ, calorific value of hydrogen in kg per kilojoule per kg is A 25,000, B 50,000, C 70,000 and D 1,50,000. So it is D 1,50,000. Okay. So this is about the calorific value of hydrogen. Now we'll be discussing the B question, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate word. आप सेंटेंस रीड करिए, जहाँ पे वो ब्लैंक है आपको वो वर्ड फिल करना है जो बिल्कुल सही जा रहा है, आपको लगता है कि सही जाएगा, मोस्ट नियर बाय टू इट. ओके. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, cow dung cake has dash calorific value. You know students, it has 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoule per kg calorific value. Okay, so it has kilojoule to per kg calorific value. Second question, carbon monoxide forms dash with hemoglobin of blood. It forms carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin. Okay, this forms carboxyhemoglobin. Third, LPG is a dash fuel. It is a gaseous fuel. Okay, it is a gaseous fuel. Fourth, fire extinguisher produces dash gas. किस तरह की गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है बच्चा? ये कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड और डाइऑक्साइड? डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, it produces carbon dioxide gas. Fifth, non-luminous flame is called dash flame. It is called blue flame. Okay, it is called blue flame. So this is the B question, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Now we will be doing write true and false for the following statements. जिस स्टेटमेंट को आपको लगता है वो सही है आप उसके आगे ट्रू लिखिएगा, और आपको जो लगता है गलत है यू विल बी राइटिंग फॉल्स in front of it. Okay, so the first question is carbon dioxide is the product of complete combustion of fuel, and it is very much true. Second, petroleum products are compound of carbon and hydrogen. Of course, the petroleums are hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are hydrogen and carbon. So it is also true. Third, fire can occur in the absence of combustible substance. No, because we have studied about the necessary condition of combustion, and we know we need three things for the combustion process. That is, first, proper ignition temperature, need of combustible substance, and supporter of combustion. एक भी अगर नहीं होगा तो combustion नहीं occur करता. So this is false. अगर combustible material ही नहीं होगा तो आपका combustion occur ही नहीं करेगा. Fourth, ignition temperature of white phosphorus is 30 degrees Celsius. It is false, but it is 35 degrees Celsius. Around 35 degrees Celsius. Fifth, black zone of the flame is the hottest part of the flame. It is, these three flames are there. This is wicker, this black flame, middle flame, outer flame. Now this is the black region, hottest, less hot, and least hot. So black zone is least hot. So it is also false. So this is about the true and false for the following statements. Now we will be doing D, that is match the column A with column B. Let me write down for you first. Column A. Column A का first है ignition temperature. Second is blue flame. Third is explosion. Fourth is compound of sulfur. Fifth is carbon dioxide. And the sixth is insufficient air. Okay, now column B. The first is applying pressure. Applying pressure. Second is greenhouse effect. Okay, greenhouse effect. Third is incomplete combustion. Fourth is non-luminous. non-luminous. Fifth is acid rain. And sixth is temperature to burn a substance. Temperature to burn a substance. Okay, now we will be doing all the questions. Ignition temperature क्या होता है बच्चा? Ignition temperature वो temperature होता है जब हमें एक substance burn करना start कर सकता है. So this is option 6. Blue flame. Blue flame is non-luminous. Third is explosion. Explosion is applying pressure से भी हम explosion create कर सकते हैं. Compounds of sulfur is acid rain. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कब प्रोड्यूस होता है? जब आपका ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट is due to carbon dioxide, and insufficient air means incomplete combustion. So this is all for the match the column A with column B. Now we will be doing the E question. Write one word for the following. That is E. Okay, one word for the following. Let's start. E first. Write the full form of CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Second, when crackers burst, which type of sound is produced? Explosive sound. Okay. Third, what is the temperature of a candle flame? It is 1400 degrees Celsius. Fourth, which type of flame is obtained by complete combustion of fuel? It is blue flame, or you can say non-luminous flame. Okay, both are correct answers. So this completes our E question. Now we will be discussing answer the following questions. You know, before starting, let me rub this. Which conditions, which condition are necessary for combustion? You have to write all the three conditions necessary for the process of combustion. Second, how many types of combustion are there? Write a note on each of them. You will be writing about rapid, spontaneous, explosion combustion along with complete combustion and incomplete combustion also. Next, what is ignition temperature? Can a substance catch fire below its ignition temperature? Of course not, students. A substance cannot catch fire below its ignition temperature. Next, what precautions should be taken to prevent incomplete combustion of fuel? You know, how we can stop this incomplete combustion of fuel. Whenever a substance is burned, a proper amount of air should be there. Substance which is burning should be clean of dust particles. So these are all the necessary or precautions that we should take to prevent incomplete combustion. What are the characteristics of a good fuel? You have been given, there are 7 characteristics that you have to write. How does a fire extinguisher work? Write that the chemical reaction between sodium bicarbonate and sulfuric acid goes on. A knob is braked, sulfuric acid combines with sodium bicarbonate and forms carbon dioxide, which release with a great force and which helps to extinguish our fire. 7th, write a short note on the blue flame. You will be writing a short note on blue flame. Explain what is blue flame, what are the characteristics of blue flame, all this thing. Okay, and I give an example of blue flame where we can see a blue flame also, that is wick stove, wick kerosene stove. Now next thing we will be discussing is HOTS, that is high order thinking skill questions. First, why do dry leaves catch fire easily? Because their ignition temperature is very much less. Okay. Second, respiration is a chemical reaction which takes place in our body. It involves using fuel, that is food combining with oxygen. Respiration is the same process as combustion, but it is not combustion. Why? बच्चा देखो, combustion में light and heat produce होती है. अब respiration में heat तो produce होती है, but light नहीं produce होती. So we can say कि respiration is the same process as a combustion, but it is not combustion because it do not produce light. Okay. Next is a project work. Project work. In project work is simple. Prepare a chart on the uses of combustion. आप combustion कहाँ कहाँ use कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में आपको लिखना है. Okay. So write 5-6 uses of combustion. Okay. Now there's a turn about activity. In activity, carbon dioxide is formed when baking soda reacts with an acid, say vinegar. Okay. Now you can extinguish the fire by producing carbon dioxide. Take some baking soda in a bottle, add some vinegar in it, cork it tight. Okay. Now make a hole in the cork and insert a hollow glass tube inside it. You can get the tube from an eyedropper or anywhere, okay, by removing its rubber part. Then light a candle, tip a candle over and wait a minute or two. The candle will extinguish. The carbon dioxide, being heavier than air, pours on it and douses the fire. So this is an activity, and you can see that how you can make your own homemade fire extinguisher to extinguish fire, and you can also see that carbon dioxide extinguish fires. Okay. Next is a discovery. There's a scientist called James Watt. He invented a steam engine and which works on the power of water vapors, and the unit watt is named after him for his contribution to the development of the steam engine. So he was a very great pioneer who had given the steam engine to us. So that will be all for the today's class. Thank you, students.